Hi, this is Linda Morris. I want to introduce you to the Nikken Energy Pack. This energy pack has a lot of the Nikken Energy products all in one place. You can use it for show and tell, or you can consider it your at-home first aid kit to help you whenever you hurt yourself or a friend does, or you have a tight, stiff, achy something, or you just need more energy. Well, talking about energy, the first thing that Nikken came out with in 1975 was the magnetic insoles. It was brilliant to them because to put the magnetic insoles in your shoes, it was like walking outside barefoot all day long, because you know those nerve endings in your feet are tied to every other part of your body. So it was brilliant. They have evolved over the years, and now they have these power buttons. So it has all three vital energies, and actually as you walk, you're generating even more energy. So the more you wear these, the more you understand how much better you feel, how much more energy you maintain every day just by having these in your shoes. So you get both pairs, the large size and the small size, in this package. Same technology is actually the MagFlex. So this you can use different areas of the body. It's really great just to slip in your pants, or your underwear, or like on your hip, your low back. It could be used in your mid back. I've even worn it here when I had a cold. You just gotta breathe. It's very flexible, it's very thin. You forget it's even there. It's so comfortable. Also, on the magnetics is the power chip. This is the size of a silver dollar. You see all those little circles? Those are different magnets, and they're actually two magnets shoved together, and you have all these flux lines. So none of these products are surface magnets. They actually are going through the body. They're not just on the surface. So it's really helping your body to work better. In fact, we have the little ones. These are called the Power Minis, and these are reusable. Once again, two little the magnets are like stuck together. And they give you the little magnet, actually the little Band-Aid to hold on the magnet wherever you might need it. Reusable. So how do you hold them on the body? Well, we have a few different ways. Number one is our Kinko Therm wraps. In this package, we actually have the knee wraps. So we have the large size and the medium size. This is of the Kinko Therm bioceramic fiber. And it's just naturally soothing and warming. It's comforting for the body. Of course, then we like to add the magnets into, like for the elbow. This would actually be the knee because it's the knee wrap. And that way you once again have all three vital energies working together, which will help speed up that recovery. It also gives you a little gentle support if you do have knee issues. The other way to hold the magnets in place, whether it's the little one or the larger one or all by itself, is the Nikken duct tape. This is Kinko Therm duct tape. Duct tape is actually dynamic underlayer kinesio tape, but this has technology woven into it. I love this tape. I carry it in my purse. I even carry small scissors with me all the time because people are always sharing how they have a discomfort, or they kind of show you like, oh, my neck is hurting, or I slept wrong. I'm like, wait a minute, here, would you like me to put some of this on? I don't think I've ever had anybody tell me no. And you just trim the edges so it's curved, and that way, it comes straight. But that way it won't lift in the shower, so they can leave it on longer. They can leave it on a few days if they want. It's hypoallergenic, but I always tell people, everybody can be allergic to anything. So if it starts to itch, take it off. So when you put this tape on, you smooth it on. Follow the area of discomfort. There is no need to stretch it. In fact, if you do stretch it, only do it in the middle. Never stretch the ends. It's not designed for that. But what it does is it actually kind of lifts that area and allows more flow. So it's giving you support, but it's also opening up the area so your body can actually do its job quicker. It's like I actually could put it on my neck, and literally in like 5 minutes, it's like, Ah, that feels so much better. You can add the magnets to it also. But like for my neck, I don't even need the magnets anymore. It's just the duct tape, the magic duct tape. So you can do knees. There's actually guidelines on the back. So if you want to trim it like into different pieces, after you Google it, you can see how to do the knees or like a shoulder area for extra support. Just remember, don't stretch it. And then you can take it off in the shower or just gently pull it off wherever you have it. I love this stuff. Let's see, what else do we have here? We do have the Mag Dual. So this is actually a massage tool with all 3 vital energies once again. So you can roll it wherever you have any discomfort, but make sure you use it long enough. 3 or 4 minutes may not be long enough. You might need 15 to 20 minutes for that area. And if you're not getting the result you're looking for, you need to use it longer. So look at your watch and make sure you're rolling long enough wherever that area is. In addition, we also have the Kinko Touch. This is a pulsed. Can you see that pulsing? All 3 vital energies, once again, magnets, the energy of the sun, and the energy of that forest. So wherever you have a discomfort, it's on a 10-minute cycle. You can hear that pulsing, can't you? Isn't that cool? Use it on the low back. You can use it down by your knee. If you're sitting on the couch, put it by your knee, or on the floor by your foot, wherever you need it. 10-minute cycle. I have some people when they're driving, they get tired, they put it right on the base of their head. And they've told me, I had more energy. What about that in the energy pack, right? We also have the Kinko Seat. All 3 vital energies. It's portable. It has straps for your car or to carry on an airplane. Put it in your office chair. I've even taken it to the movie theaters. It's very comfortable. Strap just over your shoulder to go through security at the airport. Take it with you. It'll make those long airplane rides much happier. And then we have the grounding mat. Here's the grounding mat. It's about 3 feet long. It has a grounding plug. You just plug it in. It has a long cord, so it'll be long enough to get all the way to the wall from wherever you're at. And you plug it into the little circle on your electricity. So it's not really plugged into electricity, it's the grounding wire. So we're around electricity so much that sometimes we kind of need to defrazzle. We could go outside and put our feet barefoot in the grass, or you can have a grounding mat, or you could do both. It does need to be against your skin. So right now I have my arms on the grounding mat, defrazzling from the day. You can also put it at the bottom of your feet in bed. Put your feet on it under your desk. You can have your feet on them. I've had one guy that actually put it on his pillow and slept with it under his head all night long. Just has to be against the skin. So, grounding pad. How cool is that technology? So I think that's it. This is my show and tell kit, my first aid kit for home, and it's called the Energy Pack from Nikken. I wouldn't want to be without anything. So it's beautiful to get it in one package. Oh, I forgot something. Look at this, the power bands. This is the necklace. It's functional jewelry. So once again, does this ever get tight? Put on the power band necklace. It has all 3 energies in it once again. We have the bracelets. We have the regular size, and then we have the large size. I'm obviously a regular. But some people like it that it goes down further if they have a little bit of tight hands. But you know what? Some men don't like to be known for having jewelry on, even though it's functional. So what you can do, you put them together. You make it longer, so it won't show up. So you can hide it, and nobody will even know it's there under your shirt. And if you really want to, this has a loop on the power chip. You can get another a loop, put it on the necklace if you want it to be hanging down further on your neck, on your body. So there you have it. This is what we call the energy pack.